The picture shows a street light. It's got 6 panels on each side by A zone, a little slant, so it's going to light up a nice sized lot. Check online for further detail about these products. You're going to get the actual street light, well protected. It's pretty big. It's going to amaze you on the size and the quality of it. Bring you up nice and close so you get a nice look at the street light. It's got a solar panel on this side, 365, all the sun. Your pole's going to go here. You get just about everything. No woodlack bolts, no AAA batteries. You're going to supply your own AAA batteries, put them in. On the remote control, this is a on button. On, off, 25, 50, 75, 100%. To start your motion sensor with 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hours of lighting. Dusk to dawn. An instruction guide, the hardware anchors, more hardware anchors for the actual bar, more bolts and more anchors and an open-end wrench. Down on the floor over here, I simply just put the bolts in like so, all 4. I turn it upside down like so. You can see a green light going. I can start my nut. This will fit in here, so you can turn this upside down again, as well as the other one. And then you can tighten these down. This one as well. Correctly up on the area. This is the way it's going to go. Place in and start to tighten these down. I prepared my bar, so this way when now I go upstairs, all I got to do is tighten this down. It slides in the way I want it to, loosely. I want to test the light out. I want to cover the solar panel. I want to hit the on button and the light lights up. If it doesn't light up, then I have to go give it some sun. And you want to let the sun, rejuvenate the panel for a couple of days, and then you could use this 100%. Don't just go out there and run it. Let it get some sun. It's free energy. So let's go install the pipe in an area where we need to be at. Find a location that you're happy with. It's a nice large pipe. Slide the pole on. Lock these bolts down. Come back at night. The A zone goes on. We're ready for nighttime, dusk to dawn. And we'll go through the settings of turning it on and off, down from 100, 75, 50 to 25%, and the wireless detection. 28 feet will be the radius of the remote. The higher the light, the more you can go with the radius of the remote. So let's come back at night, show you what it looks like. 6 to 8 hours of charge during direct sunlight, 22 to 24 full hours of runtime, night to day. 6,500 Kelvin of bright light with 2,200 square foot throw. A 6 volt 35 amp hour battery is installed in the unit. With the A zone, you can adjust dusk to dawn 100, 75, 50, 25%, or leave it at the wireless connection of security for 30% brightness and 100% when it detects motion, and shut off after about 30 seconds. As it's lit up and we can hit the on and off button, we want to make sure we are near. That's the on. It blinks. And then we are adjusting it down to the top one, which is 25%, 50%, 75%, and then 100%. And then when we want to put on a timer, it's going to give us a blink for 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8 hours. Now when we want motion sensor, the center button, is going to dim down and then brighten up when motion's detected. As it's dimmed down, and we're going to walk towards the light in the distance, and it triggers just like that. The red button basically is like a dusk to dawn button. So you're going to shut the light off and then hit the red button for dusk to dawn. Normally it's a reach set button or an on and off button. So we're going to leave the light on and leave it at 75%. A-zone 36 AH hour, 22 to 24 hours of run time, 6 to 8 hours of charge time with a bunch of LEDs. Check online for further detail about more of the product. If you are interested in a street lamp to light up a lot, a backyard, by the boat, by a warehouse, wherever possible that you need to have light without electricity ran by the sun, a solar street light, I hope this product may be right for you.